Today, English is the language of the world. Over 350 million people speak it as a mother tongue. Knowledge of foreign language became important, especially at the present time. They are necessary as the main and the most efficient means of information exchange between the people of our planet. English is a major international language in such areas as science, business, and mass media. It is a language of computer software, literature, education, modern music, and the international tourism. Learning foreign language is not an easy thing. It is a long and a slow process that takes a lot of time and patience. But every educated person, every good specialist has to know English because it's absolutely necessary nowadays.